Looking for the best AI note-taking app that actually saves you time? Let's compare Granola AI, Otter.ai, and Notability to see which one truly fits your needs. Granola AI is designed for meetings and interviews. It syncs with Google Calendar and tools like Zoom or Teams, then gently prompts you to record. It generates clean thematic summaries, action items, and lets you edit notes during or after the call. It does not record raw audio, making it more about summaries than precise quotes. Journalists may find this limiting. Otter.ai is known for recording and transcribing whole conversations in real time. It supports Zoom, Meet, and Teams and can identify speakers. The transcripts are searchable and shareable, but its accuracy isn't 100%. Some users report slow support, privacy concerns, and occasional misbehavior like sending emails to unwanted invitees. Notability is a handwriting-focused app for iPad and Mac. It supports some audio syncing so you can sketch and record, then tap notes to jump to audio. It's great for manual note-taking with visual context, but it isn't AI-powered and has no transcript summarization capabilities. Pick Granola AI if you want polished meeting summaries with themes and actions. Go with Otter.ai if you need full transcripts and real-time recording. Choose Notability if you prefer handwritten notes with audio sync without AI features. Each app serves a different need, so pick the one that matches how you take notes. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.